Hey, what's up guys, this is Sarvesh from SK's Tech back with another video. So finally the Widgy app is out of the beta and is available on the App Store. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Widgy app. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the link for the Widgy app will be given in the description box below and you can easily install it from the App Store. After installing, go into the app. Now here you can see three options: create new Widgy, import Widgy, or join the community. So first of all, tap on create Widgy and here you get a full blank canvas to create your own widgets, and you can use all the options that are available here to create your own widgets. The second option is import Widgy, but for that you will need some widgets that you like. So for that, tap on join the community and it will take you to Reddit, where there are more than 4,000 members creating some gorgeous widgets that you may like. There are multiple posts, just tap on one and find a QR code like this one, tap on it and tap on save image. Now if we go back to Widgy and go to import widget, there are three options. Just tap on import QR code from album, tap on the one which you want to save, and this screen will appear. Don't do anything here, just go back. Now go to this manage and here select the large one because this is a large widget, and now tap on the widget that you want to save. Now after this, go back to your home screen, tap and hold, go to the widgets page, go down till you find Widgy, and here go to the large widget that we just set and tap on add widget. So in this free version of Widgy you can only add one slot to all the widgets, but if you want to add another slot, it is a one-time purchase of 399 rupees, which is okay as there is no hidden purchases. So guys, that's pretty much it in today's video. If you found this helpful in any way, then please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps, and I will see you guys in the next one.